everyone, we're going to use the product rule and differentiate y equals x squared times sine of x times tan of x. And what we're going to do is since there's really three pieces here, we're going to do the product rule within the product rule. So we're going to take, this is your f, when we do the product rule, and this is your g. But when we do this part, we're going to have to do the product rule again. So let me show you what I mean. So here's our product rule. Here's your derivatives of trig functions. So let's get rid of that. So we're going to do this f of x, x squared, tan x. So we have y prime equals. Now, we're just going to copy down x squared. So that's your f part, or you can call it your g part. Now, we're going to multiply it by the derivative of this. And we're going to do the product rule for that. So that means you copy down sine x. And then you multiply it by the derivative of tan of x. And the derivative of tan of x is secant squared x. All right. Then you have to do the plus. So let's get rid of that. Plus, we're still not done. Now you write the tan of x and then multiply it by the derivative of sine of x, which is cosine of x. So that's the first part. Now we have to do the whole thing again. So now we're just going to copy down the second part, which is sine of x, tan of x, times the derivative of x squared is 2x. So I'm going to squeeze that in. Now let's see what we have here. So we have this is x squared, and we have this part. So that's going to be sine x and secant squared of x. Then we're going to multiply this times this. Now this part, let's look at that. That's going to be sine of x divided by cosine of x for tangent times cosine of x. So these two cancel. So basically, we're just going to get plus x squared sine of x. Okay? So that's, you have to always clean that up. Now, then this part, we're just going to write plus 2x sine x tan x. And from there, that's all we can do. So that's it for that. You could actually factor out an x if you wanted to. So we can do that. Let's do that. So factor out an x. You're going to get x sine x secant squared x plus x sine squared of x, and then plus 2 sine x tan x. You could do that, but this is fine too. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.